I'm literally gonna share you secrets of how to network with billionaires, multimillionaires, and what questions to ask them so you can help yourself out. So I'm going to touch up my makeup a little bit as I'm doing this for more entertaining purposes. But this is what I did when I didn't know anything about life. And I was thinking of what types of videos should I make? And I figured this would be very important because networking is important and people do it wrong. People network for fun purposes. They network to increase their business and improve their business. But they don't understand that mindset is everything. Everything. And this is why I made this channel, is primarily because I wanted to share these mindset tactics that nobody knew. And one of them is how I changed mindset, my own mindset. I had the mindset of trading my time for dollars. I had a mindset of you gotta know someone rich to be rich. You have to have your hand held through everything, that this is only attainable for a certain amount of people. Who am I, right? And then I look back on my life and say, wow, there's so many opportunities. I'm mind blown. There's so much room for progression. You just have to know how to ask the right questions and how to actually stand out. You know, having a good time is all fun, but how are you actually going to stand out and make all these interactions worth your while? Because the truth is, most of the events you attend, the people you will meet, if you don't ask certain questions, if you don't have a certain value to add, you will be like 99% of the people there and you will not leave an impression. And when you don't leave an impression, you can't learn. So you have to have something to stand out that people actually want to talk to you. These people that can change your life can talk to you. And I'm going to share this with you. And before we move forward, this is what my channel is about. These are the types of videos I love making because I have been through a lot. I've tried it all. I've tried a lot of things. And what I'm trying to say is that you can be the best version of yourself. You can make all your dreams come true. You just have to start with mindset. Mindset is everything. You think money is everything? No, it's the mindset, because without the mindset, you will not make the money. You can work your ass off your entire life. You will still not make money. You still won't have savings. You still won't have investments. But when you start tweaking your mindset to these right things, you will notice how this is what transforms your life. This is what you learn. And you hinge onto this knowledge as you move along, and you realize that this knowledge will transform your life completely. For that, I also made a program that focuses on mindset and being your best self, because this is the content I'm truly, truly passionate about. So if you want to know how to become $1 million lady, it's going to be linked down below. You will not regret it, seriously. Let me just do my lipstick a little bit. So, when I started out with everything in life, you have to realize that you have to do things for free. I first was in the medical field, and to get into med school, you have to have a lot of extracurricular activities. So I would volunteer everywhere that I possibly could. Hospitals, programs, retirement homes. I was non-stop. When I say I had no free time, I had no free time. Literally none. I think this probably is good. Let me relocate this a place of better lighting. So I had this mindset my whole life. I'm like, if I need to learn how to do things the right way, I need to network with the right people. And for me at that point, the right people was anybody who had a better life than me and knew more than me. And at that point, it was literally everyone. So I said, you know what? I'm just gonna make this worthwhile and network with these people as often as I can. From that point, it was anybody who was trying to get into med school, teachers. I would go to office hours, ask them any questions I possibly could. Then it would be physicians at hospitals. I wanted to know their mindset. I asked them, this is what I wanted to do. So I asked them, like, what is your mindset? What is your life? And just having that hunger for mindset is what's going to set you apart from everybody else. And let me tell you this is when I wanted a medical career. Then obviously, as you know, then I wanted entrepreneurship as a career and I wanted freedom. So I started, again, same path, doing everything for free. Conferences, volunteering, just literally doing things for free anytime I could, because people, and I'm telling you, this will set you apart from everybody. Is this annoying what I'm doing with my setup? So, and what I noticed at these events that I would go to and do things completely for free is that every single person there wanted money. They wanted to be paid for the time they were there. They were like, okay, how much per hour are you going to pay me in order to attend this event, in order to help out these people? And what I was thinking is, these people pay thousands of dollars to go to these events, to learn from these other people, to talk, to socialize. They're paying thousands of dollars to be at this event just to talk to each other. I'm here for free because I'm volunteering, whether it's setting up paper cups, whether it's running errands. I don't care, because I don't have to pay that money, and now I can network with these people. And when you network, what you want to know is not how they made their money, not what company they have, not what business model they're following. Don't ask them like how much money you make or what you started in the beginning or what's your whatever. It's not about that, because you'll notice that there's so many successful things that work everywhere. One person may have a store, person may be an insurance company, one more person can be selling cars, whatever. It's not that what gets people ahead, it's the mindset. And asking questions based around mindset is what will change yours and what's actually going to be the make it or break it. And this is what I notice, is that all of these people have the same concept on their mind that they applied to various different business models. And that is why all of them were successful. And it's a mindset that's not taught anywhere. It's not taught in school. It's not taught in any types of forms of education. It's only taught if you are lucky enough to understand that this is something special that you should be implementing in your life as well. And that is the mindset of positivity. Seriously, most people that are good people, that are rich and successful, don't judge other people. They're not rude. Well, some are a little bit rude, but they have this positive, I don't care about the world attitude, because I know I'm a type of person I am. They don't care about other people's kind of opinions of them. That is one thing I found. They're very positive on their future as well. Don't let other people's opinions bring them down. It's not about kind of even waking up and doing a certain routine or brushing your teeth or your hair with the opposite hand or things like that. It's their strive to always want to learn more, to always be improving, to not letting failure get in the way of things, to being persistent and resilient. There's so many of these things. And when you learn more, you start to realize how this is the anchoring thing that helps with everything else. No matter what business you have, no matter what job you're trying to do, what career path you're trying to do, it is all about the mindset. And another thing is, it's so close-minded and shallow to be thinking of kind of like the dollar amount, or like what can I get in return for, let's say, volunteering or being around these people. Like I said, I did not care about any type of return. I just wanted to talk to these people. And that's what you should be doing too. The more you interact with these people of high net worth and high knowledge and high success rate, the more you begin to think like them. And that is the biggest lesson you can ever have. That is the biggest return, not how much money you spend. That is why, like, if you can be around people who are even slightly more successful than you, it will bring you up and up and up and up. That's how I started. And I knew that this time that I get to spend with them is precious, because they don't give out their time easily. That's more valuable to them than the money they have, because their hours, they are at the point where they outsource so many things that an hour of their time is so precious. And you can spend time around these people. No matter what level you are, what your industry or business is, any event you go to or any networking thing, seek out those people and just be there to have a good conversation. Don't ask them personal or invading questions or try to get something out of it. Don't try to even get a job or whatever. It's not about that. It's about the these little conversations that you can have here and there that opens you up to these possibilities, to these new ways of thinking. You can read about them on books and YouTube videos and all that stuff, and that's cool, but you will never start to realize how truthful and how beneficial this is until you actually start interacting with these types of people, because I think it makes it more personable. You see it more as a reality when you are actually there talking to them, so it's more believable. So this is probably one of the biggest networking tips and life lessons that I have applied for years upon years to my life, where I am at a point where it's like, this is reality, and it just affirms all of the beliefs that I've been thinking. The fact that these people all pretty much think the same exact way, just with slight little personality twists. So it's not about how much you can get out of these, it's really about those interactions and what mindset tweaks you can have. If you're not doing it yet, do so, and you will notice your mindset shift. So anyways, it was fun talking to you on here. Check out all my programs, my business money making programs, my mindset programs, my high caliber woman programs, all down below. I love you. Fun having you on here. I'll see you in the next video.